Hello guys, this is Chris with marketingintelligencecm.com, and on today's video I would like to show you another great website that I found out there in order to make about $60 per hour from the comfort of your house, from the comfort of your couch, by just a single website I'm going to show you very shortly. Before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to click on the link below this video, under this video here, on the description. If you're on the mobile phone, just click the little arrow in order to get the description and click on it, in order to see my #1 recommendation on how to make passive income from the comfort of your house every and single month. Very guided way, my #1 recommendation, the recommendation that changed my income every single month. So just go ahead and click it. I would also like to ask you to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. I would like to have you as a subscriber and get your feedback on the videos that release every and single month. So, with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. And let me talk to you about this website, the great website that I found online that you can use in order to make up to $60 per month. So, guys, go ahead and start your browser, your favorite browser. Go to Google, and on the search window, just type testing time. Click enter, and there you are, the first result, testingtime.com. Click on this link here. And this is the website I've been talking about. Very nice website, and this is a website that it doesn't really matter the age, the gender, the location where you are. It's very easy to use. Actually, they prefer to have all different ages, all different locations and so on, so they can get different feedback on the website they do. As you can see here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see some of the major companies that are using their website to test, like Zalando, Doodle, Deloitte, UBS, and so on. And how it really works, it's that, there you go, our customers are looking for a wide range of people, no matter what the age, the education, or computer skill, you can make a difference. Actually, this is what they're looking for. That's what they want, to get different feedback from different people in order to see if the websites and the products they're testing, it's covering all the range of the people that are out there and using it. It's very easy and free to use. You only need to use Skype, which is free to download from skype.com. So all you need to do is internet connection, a laptop or a PC, a Skype, and there you are. Actually, if you are in Switzerland, because this website and the company is based on Switzerland, maybe they request for you to go on the spot and do the testing, and you can go from there. Otherwise, based on the location, you can use a Skype. They will schedule a time with you in order to have the Skype call, and you have to make sure, that's the only thing, you have to make sure that you answer the Skype call, and they guide you from there on how to do the testing. They would like to get your feedback, and the other request, maybe they ask you for a webcam. If your laptop or your computer doesn't have one, maybe they will request for a webcam in order to see and have an interactive call with you. So how it works is up to you guys. They would like to make a test of different sites or so on. They guide you. Once you sign up, they will give you the schedule the time with you, and then you go ahead and do the testing, and you proceed from there. Actually, you can see from there on how much you can make. It's up to 50 euros per test. So you can see this if you click. Where is it? I was watching this earlier. 1 second, I'll show you. Go to testing, become a test user, and there you go. Earn money by testing digital products. I can be done from the Skype or in person if you are based on Switzerland, and you will get up to 50 euros. That's a little bit over $60 per study. Guys, this is a great way to make money. Very easy way to do it. Doesn't require any technical skills or any other skills whatsoever. The only thing you have to do is just go on a Skype call. This guy guides you, and they want you to be honest and just give them their feedback. That's it. So what you have to do, click on I want to become a tester, submit your information. There you go. This is the information you need. Put your information, your name, your last name, your birth and so on, birthday, and submit. They will contact you, and you take it from there. And this is the website I wanted to talk to you about, guys. I find it a very nice site. Good money, $60 per study. I think this is a great way to do it. And go ahead and submit your information and start testing on testingtime.com. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, I would like to ask you to like the video and to subscribe on my channel in order to get your feedback on the videos I'm submitted. And as always, click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. At the end of the day, that's why you're watching this video. You're looking for an extra income online, and by clicking the link on this video, below this video, it will change your financial income, I promise. Thank you guys. I wish you a great day ahead and talk to you soon. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.